We are doing the installation of septic tank, and since from this year FEMA had changed the code to have the system which includes the aeration system inside. So everything filtration goes into the system itself. So right now we are using this infiltrator which has everything inside the system, and our knowledgeable guy Arturo, right?
Sure.
What's it? Arturo, right?
Arturo. Yeah.
Arturo is going to install this one. He can give you some little bit idea about this one too. Video. Go ahead.
Alrighty. So this is the infiltrator, new ATU systems. So the difference between this one and the normal is that the normal is just a wall to separate the solids and the water. So this one has a whole filtration system in it that filters out better the 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 waste. So once it
Yeah.
goes to the drain field, it's like maybe like 90% or 80% cleaner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what it does in the other tank?
So once it goes, it filters. So this is like almost like 80% cleaner
Okay.
than the normal one. It
Mm-hmm.
goes to this dosing tank,
Mm-hmm.
and since the drain field is above these tanks, so this will pump it up to the drain field.
And how you decided about this system? The permit you are showing it on your phone,
Uh-huh.
which has a classification on this one, right? Like what type of?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. It has all the specifications. I would have to look it up because I don't. I order so many. I don't know exactly which one is this one is.
Mm-hmm.
But based off your permit,
Mm-hmm.
I just order it with our suppliers, and they'll send me the correct one.
But nowadays with the FEMA instruction, you have to put this one new system only, right?
Yes, correct.
All the
Yeah,
new
yeah,
ones are going up.
yeah. All the new construction when it's less than 1 acre
Mm-hmm.
of property,
Uh-huh.
we have to do this one. If you have more than 1 acre,
Mm-hmm.
then we install the regular ones. It's not required.
So how long will it take to install everything?
We usually take like a day.
Today it will be
Yeah,
done, everything?
today or a day and a half depends on how the day is and if we're working
And
as
you need a
busy.
special kind of sand for this one?
Yes,
Why?
a clean because like it's cleaner, so
Okay.
it drains better than actual like um
Like this one,
this
others.
yeah
Okay.
type of
So
dirt.
we have our engineer also with us, Mr. Ravi. Will explain about this septic system.
Yeah. So basically, septic system, like Arturo already explained to you, the main for this one, which is the filtrator. But the basic concept is pretty similar, pretty simple. So all heavy matter like poop and everything goes into from your toilets goes to this part, and since the that part is heavier, so whatever the water is, basically it's percolates up, and there are different channels here. So the percolated water is basically then moves into a second chamber, and second chamber has some more filters here, and then after it's filtered, it goes into the next chamber, and by the time it just goes from different chambers, it's pretty clean. It's
Right.
a
I
is
believe,
a
if I remember, there is a nitrogen tank in there too.
Yeah,
Nitrogen
and that's
filtration.
why we
Okay.
have, like, the new system has different type of filters.
Yeah.
Conventional one, if you do the good old days, if you do it's only chambers. You don't have filters because it moves from one chamber to another and another. So in the process, is basically the water gets cleaner and cleaner because all the impurities and heavier metals settle down. So first chamber, a lot of heavy metal is settled down. In second chamber, little bit of which is colloidal particles we settle down, and next one is murder cleaner. So if you have different 4 or 5 chambers, by the time the water goes out, it's totally clean. So this basically the clean water then goes into this tank, which basically it's got a pump, like Otto already explained. So this will hold the water and then pump into the drain field. So the concept is very simple and functional. And I don't know, Arturo, how much time you need to clean this for? I
Like
mean,
the maintenance wise,
yeah,
normally we would do maybe like every 2 years, probably
every
just
two years.
keep it, try to like pump
Yeah,
and check it out, see if everything's working
yeah.
correctly.
So is it
And
like the filter is replaceable or something? You have to take it out and.
No, we just open the lid, suction. If it's super dirty with a lot of like waste, we'll just
yeah,
clean it up. Yeah.
Okay.
yeah.
But with these ATU systems, there's an agreement to where that we have to write up. It's every 6 months agreement for
Mhm.
2 years.
Okay.
That has to be mandatory for 2 years of maintenance.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
So you'll have the agreement. So once we'll sell this house to the
To
owner,
the
the
owner. I
okay,
would do an agreement letter with him.
okay,
Like I said, it's mandatory. I have a 2-year maintenance agreement with them,
hmm,
and after that agreement, he can either keep
just
doing the
do.
agreement or just say, okay, I don't need it. So
So do you have to maintain any paperwork for that, or
yes, I have to, before we do the final inspection, we have to send that paperwork to the city,
city? Okay,
and they'll
health
approve.
department, or it goes
Yeah,
to
the
the
health department,
okay.
and they'll agree on, give us the final once everything's.
And they need this record every 2 years. So you'll be giving those
No,
records after the.
no, it's every 6 months. I would go to the new owner. I would go come. We'll
Uh-huh.
set a date, which day it's good for them,
Okay.
and we'll come every 6 months, inspect it, see if it's working properly,
Hmm.
um, pump it out if it needs to,
And then
and
you'll report back to the health department, or
no,
you don't
no,
need it.
no,
Okay.
I don't need to do that. Just
Okay.
between me and the customer.
Okay.
Yep.
Got you.
Okay, so very efficient, and I would say it's very convenient. You're not paying for any of the sewage. Typically, when you have a city water and you pay for the sewage, you pay for the water and you pay for the sewage. In this particular one, is a maintenance free, nearly maintenance free. Arturo just explained it's a 2 year time period when you have to clean it up, and there's always some best practices you can use using septic. There are some additives available in market. You can usually get it from Home Depot or any other grocery store, departmental store. You'll find that. So that basically additive goes into your toilet, and you just have to put like maybe once in a month, so that the heavy matter, the fecal matter is basically settled down, and there's a bacterial growth, which basically it's what it does to the fecal matter is that it acts on some kind of a reaction with them, and then um, basically degrades it. So it's a biodegradable stuff, so it degrades very faster. So it's always advisable to put that kind of stuff every month into your septic tank, and that will make you easier. It'll not going to get clogged in some point of time.
So Arturo, I mean, this nitrogen things. I mean, do you have to replace some after some time, or
No, no.
automatically it takes care
Yeah,
of?
it takes a while for
Okay.
it to be replaced. Yes,
Oh.
because that's why the new filtration system is to make the waste more cleaner.
So this
Yeah.
is mandatory from last year, or this year it is started?
Last year. Yep,
Is
last
there
year.
any process where we can clean the whole system? Like typically in my pool water filter, what it does is say after some particular some years, I have to do a reverse cleanup by back pressure that thing, and then so that it removes all the dirt impurities in the filter.
Hmm.
So in this particular one, do you need any kind of a back pressure to clean it up?
No,
Or?
we just like I said, we just pump it out with a vacuum pump, clean
Yeah.
it up, all the tank in
Okay.
there.
Okay.
So as you said, every 6 months once you'll be coming that, so he'll
Yeah.
check it if
Yeah,
it is needed. At that time, he'll
yeah, correct.
pump it out and take it
Yeah.
everything. So how long the drainage fill you're putting it over here for this one?
What's the sizes of the drain field?
Yeah,
It's a 500 square foot drain field.
500 square feet.
Yeah,
Okay.
With the perforated pipes.
Yeah,
it's called the ARC 24s
Okay.
by Infiltrators.
it's over
Okay.
there.
Yeah,
We'll walk
Okay.
over there and see it and sew it. Arturo did a really great job. How many you installed this month?
this month I probably installed in total
Uh-huh.
septics probably like I would say like about 10 because
10.
we stay busy with
10
doing
is a big
plumbing.
one. Yeah,
Yeah, but ATU systems I would say maybe like good 5 maybe. Yeah.
fantastic. So I'm working on one big community project. I told Pepe,
Okay.
but it's in the clear water, so we have to do all those underground work there.
All right. Perfect.
All right, let's see over here now. We have this sand, especially for the drainage, and the Ravi is going to check this drainage pipe, and it's like a toy in his
Yeah.
hand, and he enjoys all these things. He feels like a toy. So this is a percolator. See,
Yeah.
earlier used to be like
Suction. Yeah.
a small one, but everything it keep changing, guys. So that's why it's always good things to check out our videos. The latest one you'll see like how the technologies are changing in every field, and that's why we named our company New Edge Construction.
That's right.
So everything's whenever the things are changing, we are on the edge of the new era, and the whole things you'll be get updated. So there are we are putting the bed for What it is called, that one? I just explained, but I forgot. The
Drain pipes.
drain pipes we'll
Yeah.
be putting over here, and tank is coming over there. The new one which I just explained, and inside the drywall is going on. So lots of things happening today. You will be excited to see everything's one. It'll be finished. I'll put one separate solid video for whole house construction. It's really nice coming up. Like Mr. Ravi was very happy to leave this color itself. He's excited to see this color, but of course we have to paint it.
Yeah,
So,
this looks very nice. So once the everything has been painted, then obviously the house will look very beautiful. And once you have soffit installed, which I think they're waiting for first painting, and then after the painting is completed, then the soffit will be installed. So that's
so as mantra for anything, like when the people enjoy doing it, you always see the very good product. And right now I can see the face of Mr. Ravi, how a smile is coming in his face. He enjoyed it, even though expenses are there, people they get stress and all. But once a smiles comes, which means like they are enjoying the things. So this product is coming really good, and all because of the with the great integrity and great pleasure, with all his technical knowledge and all, we put it together and came up with this great product. So the people who will be living in here will enjoy forever. So all right, great for today. We will be posting a grand video in the end for the whole house together, explaining each steps. So keep watching. All right, keep watching. We'll be there, show you how to build a house. And next house, a great house if you want to build by us. New edge construction, we'll do everything in house, sit with you, design everything so whatever the way you need it with our great recommendations, and you'll enjoy your house forever.